Hey guys, I just want to let you know that in this video I'm not going to be covering how to mix, because we're doing glass in this video and all you really need to do with that is just layer it up, slightly adjust the EQ, but that's all to your own preference. To me, glass sounds like glass, so I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, now it's time for the fun one. We're going to be breaking a lot of glass, all different shapes and sizes. I'm going to be using a hammer to do this and driving one glass into the other to create lovely glass-based chaos. So, let's jump in, see what goes on. Okay, so we've got some of our materials here. We're going to start small. We have some wine/champagne glasses and a great big dirty hammer. So, we're going to combine the two and try not to get a lot of glass in our face. So that was glass breaking. Very simple, very effective. Don't forget guys, if there's anything you want me to cover that I haven't done so far, just leave a message in the comments, and if it's within my ability, I'll get on it straight away. Thanks for watching, I'll see you guys next time.